I work for Herman Miller, which is a trendy office furniture manufacturer. Probably the most iconic thing about our company is that people remember is the really awesome Aeron chair. It's one of our products that we sell. We are a really forward-thinking company, looking at the best materials, looking at the best options to fulfill what our customers need to do. We also do customized products as well. So those are some of the things that really differentiate us in the market. We are a customer of LN, so that is our ERP. We're running on-prem today. We have been very successful with upgrading, and we're going to the latest release. Our plan is to go to the latest release. We're doing that. We're also using the CPQ product, and we use it for back-end configuration and rules-based pricing, as well as front-end configuration for a lot of our dimensionally different and customized products. So our dealer designers can specify those and have a portal they can go to, and then it'll also create assets like CAD symbols and electronic catalog information for them out of the site as well. Yeah, I think the configuration side is really a key element for us. Everything we do is make to order, so the customer can specify anything. If you think of that Aeron chair I talked about earlier, there are over 1.2 million permutations of that chair, and we can't possibly create all those bills of material. So we use the configurator to drive all that to satisfy customer demand. I also see the front-end configuration space being really useful with the ancillary products and getting them to be visually available in our tools so they know what they can select, what kind of soft seating is available from our 9 brands. Our lead times are shrinking all the time. Customer expectations due to Amazon, things like that, is that we should be able to satisfy their demand in a really short period of time. So we need to be thoughtful and use really good tools that help us drive that through the supply chain and through the fulfillment process. We're a big HMPS shop, which is basically lean principles. So productivity and throughput and less waste is a really big deal. Trying to do the same thing in the office. We're trying to make sure that it's as simple as possible. We have a ton of complexity in our business that we're looking to take out. So I think in the future, with the productivity and the tools that we have, we're hoping to take out some of that complexity. And so that's our strategy, and we're starting down that path now.